Yo, alright. So, I'm new to this YouTube thing. I want to start a YouTube. I want to be big. I don't have a good setup. I'm using my phone right now. I don't know how to do all that because it won't let me sign into the thing on YouTube. But, I mean, we're just going to use, like, we're just going to use, like, we're just going to use some weapons. I don't got that much, but we can use all of them. I mean, alright. We got Shanks. Alright. I'm gonna be using two Shanks. This one and this one. So we go start with this one. Alright, let's go. Alright, mink. Oh, yo, I got that crit. Yeah, come here. Nah, come here. Yeah. Oh, that dude got on me. Oh, that's my friend. Oh my god, bro. Alright, yeah. Okay. I mean, it's alright, but alright. Let's do the other one.
Should not be playing this thing, bro.
Huh?
Bro should not be playing this thing, bro.
Alright, we got the molten shake.
With like a freaking green badge on her head, bro.
We got.
She's on freaking hitting me for no reason every single time.
We got a molten shank right here. Okay. Alright. Let's see if it's good. Alright. Come here. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh snap. Oh no. Alright. We're going gloves. I don't got that much gloves, but I'll do 2 of them. I don't even know if I got multiple things. Okay, I got 2 of them. I'll do these 2. First, we're gonna do the Aura gloves. Let's get it. Hold up, let me put on Hitman for this one. Alright, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm finna cook. Come here. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a lot of people right there. Oh yeah. Come here. Who want it? That's you? Alright, let's get back to it. Oh yeah, come here. You got 10, right?
And then they're gonna play because I'm fighting them with him.
Oh yeah. Alright, now we got the Hulk gloves. We got the Hulk gloves right here. They be hitting though. Let's see. Alright, come here. Yeah, don't run. Oh, snap. Yeah.
Look at you running. You just a runner. You are running. You look at another person with him.
My fault.
Mind you, I told that ass.
Oh.
Bro, why are you killing? Why was
None of
you
y'all
killing?
can fight by yourselves. If I'm honest, none of y'all can fight by yourselves.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Alright.
Alright, this is a good weapon right here. It's a good weapon right here. Good weapon. Now, yo, you can kill me. Alright, we're moving on to bats. It goes crazy sometimes. It hit.
Let me fight him with this one.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh, with you, like, move.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But I want to build me, bro. I want to
Yeah, come here.
come
Come here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, come here. Oh my god. Come here. Yeah. Weave. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. This is a good bat, Loki. Come here.
That's freaking
Weave. Woo! Man, these crash out users can't hit their shots, yo. Especially for the slams. Come here. Come here. Don't run. Yeah. Yeah, hey, it's a good bat. It's like a really good bat. Alright, now we're gonna move on to sneakers. We're only gonna use 3 of them. Boom. Alright, let's try it. I'm only using 3 of them. We got a blue sneakers right here.
I'm trash. I'm trash. I'm not trash.
Okay, that's pretty good, not gonna lie. He's crashed now. Wait. Alright. There's somebody in the bathroom. Oh yeah. Yes, that same dude. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm finna get Omni, y'all. I'm finna get Omni. So I'm finna make a video. I'm gonna make a video of me doing Omni. Oh yeah, you want some? You want some? You still want some, huh? You still want the belt, huh? Yo, why can nobody hit their freaking their slams? Leave. Oh no, he slammed, yo. No. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Alright, next up we got Tim's. We got the Tim's. I'm gonna save the best one for last. We got the Tim's. We're finna cook up with the Tim's. Haven't used these in a minute, but we finna cook up. Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, I'm on that. Oh no! I gotta run. No. I had to steal his kill. Alright, Alright, yeah. Who's next? Come here. Oh yeah! Come on, you want some? Yeah. Come on, you want some too? You want some too? Weave. No, he slammed. Come here. Nah, don't run. Yeah. You too. Come here. No, I died. I mean, not died, but yeah, we both stuck now. Come on, you want some? Come on. You want some? Yeah.
Why you hitting nobody? Bro.
Come on. Alright, yeah. Alright, Tims are pretty good. Bro. Alright, next up. This is gonna be the end of the video. We got the best ones for last, y'all. The purple sneakers, y'all. Alright, 0.075 walk speed, 10% knockdown, 22.5 damage, 15.9 critical hit damage. Alright, we finna cook up with these. Most definitely, yo. Yeah, come here. I'm on that. Oh no, he slammed, y'all. Oh, I'm dead, yo. I'm finna die. Yeah, I'm finna die. Yo, I need this kill. Thank you. Homeless guy. Nah, that's not cool, bro. Leave. No, you slammed 2 times, bro. I'm dead, y'all. Alright, we're gonna end the video right now. So peace, y'all.